Hello, I'm Santosh Reddy. Today I have two clients with me. One is Rohit and another is Neha. They have got their visa last week and today I am here to take their client's interview. I will ask them some certain questions which will help you people, my prospective clients, to avail my services. So, how are you today, Neha and Rohit? How are you feeling?
Yeah, so I'm fine and very much happy that we have finally crossed the barrier and hurdle, and we are finally into the stage that we can say we are going to Sydney, Australia.
Okay, so can you tell me something about what you do here right now and what you will be doing after going to Australia?
I am an SAP consultant here and I've been working for almost 3 years now. And my first thing while I'll be going to Sydney, I will be to get myself accustomed to what things are going in Sydney around.
Okay.
And I'll look for a brighter future out there, because that is what I had applied for. And hopefully get into a big massive company and come back strong.
Okay, that's great. Can you tell Neha what you do here now and what you will be doing after going there?
Currently, I'm working as a construction manager with Larsen & Toubro Mumbai. I just hope I'll be able to work with some companies where I'll be able to get in touch with some latest technologies and explore more in depth in my civil engineering.
Okay, that's good. Next is like, how is your experience with us? Like, what do you think? Like, you got proper advice? You got like at initial stages, like you had many questions about skills assessment and expression of interest and the nomination and time period and everything. So I mean, like, whether you got proper advice from us, whether there was a transparency in all the aspects of this particular process. What is your feedback on this?
We have actually got a tremendous response. We got this contact of Western Santosh Reddy from one of our friends who had been a client to you. And we were very much sure that when he reached and when he told us about this institute, we were pretty much sure that we do not need any other research on who to approach. And when we first came down there, we had so many queries with us, like small queries which actually meant to be crazy. But eventually those were the things which we need, some things which we need to be get answered for. And so we did ask you a lot of questions which would have sounded a little bit stupid as well. But the response from the start till the end was quite brilliant, and that is the reason we are happy today. And we have actually told a lot of our friends who are willing to migrate to other countries as well. Right from the start, the UI application, the nomination, the skills assessment, we are pretty much sure that definitely we have put our faith in the right person, because whenever we had some queries, we were very prompt in giving us the answers that were the question that were put forward. Many times we were getting diverted, because on the internet when we did our research, there were so many things which were a little bit misleading. But then at the end, when we used to approach you, we got that clear cut and crisp answer what is to be done. Many of the times it so happened that we were a little reluctant. The time span that you were actually telling about. But eventually, the deadline that you gave, all our results came almost a month prior to what you had actually committed. So that was a part of the efficiency that you have shown towards our application. And we are quite happy, and actually one of my brother has also started listening with you as well.
Yeah. How much time it took roughly for whole process since you began in total?
Yes, I guess it was 8 months.
8 months, okay.
But that was in between we had the Sydney thing had that Christmas holidays, which was for almost one and a half months.
Yes.
That took, so eventually 7 months is what I would look at.
Okay.
But that was a pretty nice time to be flying to Sydney.
That's fine, no problem. Like, thank you for giving me this opportunity to be your consultant. This is because I am consultant because of you people. I am consultant because you believe in my services. If you don't believe, then I am not consultant. If I go outside, I am nothing. So maybe thank you for your faith in me. And I would appreciate your patience in many during skill assessment or during state nomination as well. And I congratulate you for getting this PR visa, and all the best for your future in Australia.
Thank you so much.
Other way around, we are thankful to you for being so patient and actually helping us out in the goals which we thought are impossible because we didn't have any support. You are the only
Yeah.
support
Yeah.
and only believe that we are going there. So we really appreciate your patience and we are really thankful because of you. We are getting an opportunity to go and settle in some other country. So thank you so much, and we really hope to continue this relationship even after we go there.
Yeah. Sure.